When you travel to a dream destination, you have a choice. A very important choice. You could choose to go at it on your own.
This way?
You want to try back that way?
Yeah. Should have taken the elevator.
Or you can choose to go with Monograms, which means you will never be alone.
Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Carlo. Very nice to meet you.
Hola. Hey.
How do you do?
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Rome, guys. Our car is right here.
How far to the hotel, Carlo?
Oh, it's going to be 20 minutes, no more than that.
Amigo.
No,
We're gonna
taxi.
go taxi. Dio taxi.
Give me my bag, sir.
No, sir. No, thank you. No, thank you. We're gonna go to the front, please.
So we are about to drive by the Colosseum, and your hotel is just up here.
Because with Monograms, you'll be given something that is truly invaluable.
Yes, we're at... stop!
Your own local host. And this changes everything.
I feel like we've come down this street like 5 times now.
What do you want to do? Should we just go back to the hotel?
I don't know.
Find it?
No.
In a place where everything is foreign, you'll be feeling like a local.
There's Carlo right there.
What does it say?
He says we need to order the tiramisu.
And while everyone else is getting frustrated, you'll be getting the VIP treatment.
If you travel with us, you skip the lines.
Trading waiting for reveling. And trading wondering for wonderment.
Babe, this isn't the line for the Colosseum. It's around the corner. It's on the other side.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Come on. It's longer than this one.
In places where you don't even begin to know your way. With us, you will never feel lost.
So these are your tickets. You are in the first class car.
Right. Where's ours? Come on. Where's...
That's the Monograms difference. We're with you every step of the way. Which means fewer hassles.
There's no more trains today.
More amazing. It's no wonder why those who travel with Monograms never travel any other way again. Book your all-in-one vacation package today.